I still recall the night we broke up through the phone from just one fight. You said you would had it all, and I was crying through the night from just the thought of you gone. Whoa. You faced my days, you never look the same. I'll chase a new guy, but I'll never love again.
Kemudian Bapak Ibu, Mama Bunda, Ustazah yang saya hormati, ataupun saya izin bicara sebentar di depan sini Bu. Ya, saya akan menjelaskan terkait perjalanan wisata kita, outing kelas kita pada hari ini, hari apa ya ini ya? Oh, Kamis 14 November 2020.